Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Anissa Khairatul Maulidi Ratnaswari and my friends is Dika Amanda Muhammad Dwi Nugroho and I'm Anissa and Ferdian Dwi Nugroho, rekan Aji Saputra, Andin Nur Rashidi, Novan Ramadan, Humaira Akmal Fikri and Isma Multidewi. The project is construction of Learning Research Center building IAIN Ponorogo. Its objective is in effort to add and improve existing facilities, the State Islamic Institute Ponorogo plan to build a Learn Resource Center building where this building has 4 floors, which will be planned on Jalan Puspita Jaya, Kerajaan, Pintu Village, Jenangan District, Ponorogo Regency, East Java Campus 2. Cause this development activity is funded from the 2024 SPSN funding surge with a total of 51 billion 6 million rupiah, including 11% FEAT. It's a building area. In the construction of EIN Ponorogo Research Center building, is the planned building area is 440 meter and built on 4 floors with a building height of 513 meter. This construction of the IAIN Ponorogo Research Center building was handled by PT Amoret Mitra Konsulindo as planning consultant. The implementing contractor is held by PT Total Tanjung Beautiful. Construction duration. The duration of construction for the building 274 days in accordance with the work plan or time schedule. Simple interest rate is a next Humairo.
Understanding simple interest rate. Single interest is interest that is only calculated based on the principal amount of an initial capital or loan without taking into account the accumulated interest from previous periods. Simple interest I P kali N kali E. Information P present value, I annual interest rate, N number of interest. 50%, 40% of 51 sekian is 2020 20 24 2402 sekian 2402 dikali 0 0 0 for 23 sekian sama dengan 4 millions 712 sekian per year. Next. Compound interest rates. Next. Understanding compound interest rate. Compound interest is interest charged for each period based on the principal loan and added to any interest charge calculated up to the beginning of the period. Compound interest A PA per P dikali A kali N. Information P present value, A annual payment, I compound interest, and number of interest. Once year 712 sekian dikali 0 23 2023 sekian-sekian sama dengan 188 sekian-sekian. And to n years, one 188 sekian-sekian ditambah 0 sekian-sekian sama dengan 25 one sekian-sekian. And 3 years 25 one sekian-sekian ditambah 0 sekian-sekian sama dengan 50 eh 58 63 sekian-sekian. For the year 58 63 sekian ditambah 0 sekian-sekian sama dengan 42 sekian-sekian. 50 years 58 0 63 sekian-sekian ditambah 0 sekian-sekian sama dengan 97 sekian-sekian. Next, present value method atau PV. Next, understanding present value method atau PV. Present value method atau PV is the current value of the amount of money or cash flow future with a certain rate of return. Future cash flow is discounted by the discount rate, and the higher the discount rate, the lower the present value of the future cash flow. Present value method PV sama dengan P per A dikali N. Information P present value, A annual payment, E compound interest, A number of interest. P per A for 32 9, A sama dengan for 71 2 sekian-sekian, I sama dengan 5%, N sama dengan 5. PV for 712 sekian-sekian dikali for 32 9 5% per 5 sama dengan 5 millions 99 sekian-sekian. Next, future present value method PV. Next, understanding future present method atau PV. Money saved for invested today will grow or increase because it experience an increase in value from the interest received. Used to calculate savings to investment. Future present PV dikali 1 ditambah R N. Information PV future value of period, PV present value, R interest rate, and investment period. Future present PV sama dengan PV dikali 1 plus R. PV 5 million 99 sekian-sekian, R 005 and 5. PV 5 million 999 sekian-sekian dikali 1 ditambah 0 005 for 6.558 sekian. Next. Understanding not present value NPV. Next. Dwi.
Understanding not present value NPV. Net present value or NPV is the difference between the present value of cash inflow and the present value of cash outflow in a certain time period. NPV is the calculation of the cash value of the cash flow from capital investment in the future using an interest rate and then compared to the original investment value made. Not present value NPV sama dengan CT dikali PVI PA dikali R dikali T dikurang CO. Information CT sama dengan annual cash flow, NPV sama dengan net present value, R sama dengan interest rate, CO sama dengan initial investment value. Net present value NPV sama dengan CT dikali PVI FA dikali R dikali T dikurang CO. Income 8 billion 2000 million. Expense 1 billion. Inch XP 7 billion 200 million. PVIFA tutup kurung 5% sama dengan 4,3295. PVIFA 6% 4,2124. CO 30 miliar 603.600.000. Capital without bank loans. NPV 1 sama dengan 7 miliar 200 juta dikali 4,3295 dikurang 30 miliar 603.600.000. 541.800.000 rupiah. Lebih kurang dari 0 atau sama dengan layak. NPV itu 7 miliar 200 juta dikali 4,2124 dikurang 30 miliar 603.600 rupiah minus 301.320.000 rupiah atau kurang layak, tidak layak. Next. Internal rate of return IRR. Internal rate of return IRR. Internal rate of return abbreviated as IRR is a method which calculation the interest rate, discount rate, which make the present value of the entry cash flow estimate enter equal to the present value of the cash flow expectation out. The function of IRR is used in determining whether it is true that the investment can be carried out or not. IRR sama dengan I1 ditambah NPV1 dibagi tutup buka NPV1 dikurang NPV2 tutup kurung dikali I2 dikurang I1 tutup kurung. Information NPV2 sama dengan net present value negatif, NPV1 sama dengan net present value positif, I2 sama dengan the discount rate that will NPV worth negative. I1 sama dengan the discount rate that will NPV worth positive. IRR sama dengan internal rate of return sama dengan 0,1 ditambah 541.800.000 rupiah dibagi 541.800.000 rupiah 8.000 dikurang 1.032.000 dikali 0,1 dikurang 0,005 sama dengan 15 juta 66.000, 15 dikali 15 sama dengan titik 15 juta 66.000 dikali 15%. Diasumsikan I1 10%, I2 5%. Next. Payback period. Next. Payback period means a period of the time it takes a project to earn back the money invested in it. For example, if the payback period of a project is shorter than or equal to management district maximum payback period, the project is accepted. If not, then the project is rejected. Next. Dika Amanda.
Break-even point or BEP. Break-even point is a condition where the amount of sales proceeds equal to the total cost to obtain the result. For example, break-even point analysis is generally used to calculate when a business will start or a project will be profitable or by equalizing total revenue with total cost. With this formula, we had BEP has total 1,900 million rupiah. Next. Ferdian.
minimum cost value. Next, minimum cost value, the total cost of an alternative is a function of a variable. To obtain a minimum total cost of an alternative, it is necessary to determine the minimum value of the variable. The minimum value of the variable is called minimum cost value. TC amount X plus B per X plus C. Information TC amount total cost per time period per project. BNC amount fixed number constant. X amount certain variables. Next. Penyelesaian alternatif 1 TC amount 123 S plus 2800 dikali 500 dikali 400 plus 400 per S plus 1 kali 20 kali 10 pangkat 7. Next, Andi.
Benefit cost ratio or BCR. Next, benefit cost ratio is benefit analysis is engineering economy is the process of evaluating the benefit or advantage gained from a project, investment, or engineering decision. Taking into account economic aspect, the goal is to determine whether the benefit of a particular alternative exceeds the cost incurred so that the decision taken can provide the best economic value. In the formula like this, noun cost EDR 28 million, A EDR 13, and I 7%, and N is 5 year. And the result or BCR uh, 0.828 lebih kecil daripada 1. Next. Next, Novan Ramadan.
Okay, project economic risk sensitivity analysis. Okay, next. Sensitivity analysis helps decision makers understand the financial risks of uncertainty in high project variables by mapping the sensitivity of NPV, BUP, and BCR. Management can be better prepared for potential change in conditions and take appropriate mitigation step value. Maybe this explanation is like the one on the screen. Okay, next. Sama kayak this explanation is like the one on the screen. Okay, next. Wait. So the consolation is based on the two calculation. The more efficient is the compression from the outside parties point, which is Indonesian rupiah 48.000. Oke, next. Kemudian selanjutnya Farhan Aji.
Okay, next, asset replacement analysis. Next, asset replacement analysis is an evaluation process to determine whether an existing asset needs to be replaced with a new asset or left in use. This analysis is important in financial management to ensure efficient and optimal use of resources. Conclusions: real income is lower than nominal income due to inflation. However, the project is still profitable in real terms because the real value is greater than the initial cost. Next. Next.
Taxes and depreciation project evaluation. Taxes and depreciation project evaluation. Depreciation is the allocation of the cost of a fixed asset over its economic life to reflect the decline in the asset's value. In project evaluation, depreciation is used to calculate tax savings, while tax is a mandatory contribution to the state that is calculated based on the company's taxable profit. In project evaluation, tax burden affect the project net cash flow. For depreciation, we have 2040 billion 2050 rupiah. For pajak, we have 540 91 billion rupiah. Project feasibility study. Project feasibility study and economic feasibility study is an analysis used to determine whether a project is feasible based on the economic benefits generated compared to the cost incurred. This study includes calculating cash inflow benefits and cash outflow costs. Project feasibility study conclusion NPV is 541 billion and 800 million rupiah. Lebih dari 0 feasible project. BCR is 24 billion 759 rupiah. Lebih dari 1 feasible project. Economy feasibility study helps to determine whether the project is financially feasible. Criteria such as NPV, IRR, and BCR are used to evaluate the project. Project with positive NPV and BCR, lebih dari 1, can be considered for implementation.
Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.